Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to see Unit 2 and it is a prose. A very interesting prose. Trip to Ooty. You like Ooty very much, isn't it, children? It is a cool place. It is very good to see and we can enjoy by going to Ooty. So let me put few questions before you, dear children. Have you gone for picnic? Where would you like to go for a picnic? Would you like to go with your friends or parents? How do you prepare yourself for a picnic? Why do we arrange educational trip in schools? Okay, now let us see the summary of this prose. Merlin writes a letter to Malli about her trip to Ooty with her friends. Their class teacher, Mrs. Geeta, arranged this trip. Merlin was so excited when she stepped into the toy train. The train moved slowly, allowing the children to have a glimpse of the beautiful landscape. One of the boys, Muthu, wanted to walk along the side of the train, but his teacher scolded him to get back to his seat. The scene outside was beautiful with the purple-blue mountains forming a lovely backdrop to the green fields and tea estates. There were monkeys racing along the tracks. One of the monkeys tried to snatch a banana from a girl. She let out a scream and moved back. Suddenly the train stopped. Everyone got down to see what happened. There was a baby elephant sitting on the track. Everyone tried to pursue the baby off the track with a bunch of bananas. But it was no use. Muthu acted wisely with a presence of mind. He took a bunch of bananas near the baby elephant. As it moved forward to eat the bananas, Muthu moved backwards. He kept doing this till the baby was on the side of the tracks. Everyone got into the train and the train started to move. Merlin ended the letter saying that it was a fantastic trip. It was enchanting to hear the sound around them. The whole group was so excited about this trip. Even children, when you go to Ooty, you also will be excited to see all the sights, the sceneries, and going by that train. Wow! Now you will feel like going to Ooty, isn't it, children? To enjoy? Yes, dear children, it is nice to go for a picnic with your friends or with your parents. When the school arranges a trip to Ooty or other places, please go. You can let out your happiness, the sadness or whatever maybe. You can share with your friends. Now let us see about the trip to Ooty. So here, dear Malli is writing a letter to Merlin, her enjoyment. Now let us see section 1. Thanks for your letter and it was great to hear from you. You asked me to tell you about my trip to Ooty with my friends. I had the most wonderful time. 20 girls and boys from class 6 went on the trip. Our class teacher, Geeta Madam, and two others took us. My grandmother has told me about the beautiful journey to Ooty by the toy train many times. She said that it was a spectacular trip up and down the slopes with birds and trees dancing along. Ooty is so close to Coimbatore, but I have never been there nor seen that train. So I was really thrilled when the school arranged this trip. You can imagine how excited I was when I stepped into the toy train with my friends. I looked around at the wooden chairs with the cushioned seats and oil painted walls as I put my bag on the mess of the luggage rack. I was bubbling over with excitement. Hi Fatima, isn't this fun? I called out as my friend came into the compartment. Come, sit here. I have kept a seat for you. You can keep your bag next to mine. What have you brought to eat? Parota and delicious chutney? Did you see the train? It's so beautiful, Fatima replied. Our teacher, Geeta Madam, came around to see if everyone was seated properly. The train is about to leave. So take your seats, everyone, she said. Just then the train started with a jerk. It moved very slowly, leaving the station with a long hoot. Everyone clapped. The train went sneaking up the steep hillside, weaving its way through forests of tall trees swaying in the breeze. One of the boys, Muthu, said, "It is going so slowly. I can walk along its side." And he got up to go to the door. From the other end, the teacher saw him and said in a firm voice, "Muthu, go back to your seat at once." The girls snickered and Muthu sat down with a long face. Now let us see the section 2. The scene outside was beautiful with the purple-blue mountains forming a lovely backdrop to the green fields and tea estates. Monkeys were racing all along the tracks, some were in groups and some had babies clinging onto them. Look, Fatima, doesn't that monkey look cute holding on to its mother's stomach? I pointed excitedly. The monkeys were really bold. One of them tried to snatch a banana that a girl had in her hand. As she leaned out of the window to look at the train curving behind on the track, she let out a scream and moved back. Now it was Muthu's turn to snicker. I looked entranced at the misty clouds which covered the mountains and moved in and out of the forest. It looked just like a dream sequence in a movie. Fatima pointed to a bubbling stream with a small waterfall. Look, Merlin, can you see that bird there? It is such a pretty blue and has such a lovely crown, she said. Just then the train stopped suddenly with a thud. Oh, what happened? Asked a boy. Hey, why has the train stopped? Shouted another passenger. But nothing could stop Muthu. He and his friends were the first to step out to see what had happened. Geeta Madam tried to stop the children running out, but they were too excited and begged to be allowed to go out. In the end, the whole compartment stepped out, and what a sight greeted their eyes. Now, let us see section 3. There was a cute baby elephant sitting on the track. The mother elephant was nearby, trumpeting loudly. The engine driver tried to coax the baby off the track with a bunch of bananas. The mother didn't let anyone near the baby. So, people stood around trying to make the baby move by making all kinds of sounds. The baby just sat there looking frightened, and the mother kept trumpeting. Finally, Muthu, the naughty boy of the class, went up to the baby with a bunch of bananas. Just as it moved to eat it, he moved backwards. He kept doing this till the baby was out on the side of the tracks. Luckily, the mother too stopped trumpeting and watched the whole show. Everyone cheered as the mother too stopped as the baby started eating the bananas. Many bunches of bananas were piled near the baby. Baby started eating the bananas. As they were eating, everyone got into the train and it left after the delay of half an hour. Geeta ma'am had told us that we would see elephants if we were lucky. Madam wouldn't have imagined we would see a wild elephant this close, said Fatima. It was such a fantastic trip. On a normal fast train side, we do not notice the scenery or the landscape. It rushes by so fast but slowly jogging up and down the beautiful mountainside was different. I will never forget the wind-swept tea estate, cloud-covered mountains, or the swaying trees. It was enchanting to listen to the murmur of streams and waterfalls and musical bird calls. We even saw an elephant and its baby. Our whole group was so excited by the trip, and they still talk about it. Your loving friend Merlin. Now let us see about the toy train. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway was built by the British in 1908. Mountain train is another showcase of heritage of India. This rail connects Udagamandalam and Mettupalayam. The journey is the most picturesque train ride that memorizes travelers of all ages group. This train travels through 208 serpentine curves, 16 tunnels, 250 bridges, waterfall hood, cliff edges and tea estates, covering a distance of 26 km. The uphill journey takes almost 4 hours. In the year 2005, UNESCO declares the Nilgiri Mountain Railway as an extension of the World Heritage Site of Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Vintage steam locomotive is still retained as an excellent attraction to this train. So it is very nice to travel by this toy train to see all the sceneries, the bridges, the serpent curves, tunnels, waterfalls, cliff edges, and the tea estates. So, dear children, when you go to Ooty, travel by this train, toy train. Then only you can have the enjoyment by seeing the sight. Sightseeing is very good, a very good scenery. So, dear children, enjoy the trip by going to Ooty. You know already, Ooty is a beautiful place, a lovely place, a fantastic place to enjoy. So, all the very best, children. As you're in holidays, in at home, you can enjoy by going to Ooty. Now, let us see the road map of trip to Ooty. Merlin's class teacher arranged a trip to Ooty. Merlin was so excited when she stepped into the toy train. The train moved with a jerk. As it moved, they saw monkeys racing along the tracks. A monkey tried to snatch a banana from a girl. She let out a scream and moved back. The train stopped suddenly because there was a baby elephant on the track. It was a memorable trip for everyone. Muthu, one of the boys, acted wisely by getting the baby elephant off the track. All were excited about this trip to Ooty. Now here meanings: sway means move slowly, wax, pursued, snicker, suppressed laugh, murmur, grumble, scream, cry in high pitch.